have this Rigol DS1074Z broken LCD. This is the original one. This is the code for the LCD itself. The symptom was the first, the LCD itself turned blue. We can still see the signal, but it's terrible. When I try to crack open the panel itself, it's broke. So now it's dead. But we can replace it with this one. This is a for a child toy. We call it locally Smart Tahfiz, for a kid to play, to learn about Quran and thing. The only difference was, first, it's shorter than this one. So we have to bulk the extension like this with the chip. And the other difference was the thickness. This one is about 3.5 millimeter, and this one is about 6 millimeter. And the other was the same, but we have to remove this protective glass, but it should be easy. You can use hot air or something just to remove and put it in the new one and put it back in the cage, put it back to the oscilloscope itself. I've tried to connect this, and it goes normal.